And then also you can diffuse 3 drops of this oil with 3 drops of lavender or sandalwood in a 4-hour diffuser like doTERRA's petal diffuser, or you can use Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of jasmine essential oil. Renowned as the king of flowers, jasmine is prized for its delicate white flowers, which emit a highly fragrant aroma up to 36 hours after being hand-picked. Extracting jasmine is labor-intensive and must be done at daybreak, when the flowers are most fragrant and have the highest percentage of components intact. Jasmine essential oil provides a myriad of benefits, both aromatically and topically. Its esteemed fragrance can be calming yet euphoric, instilling a positive outlook. Emotionally, jasmine promotes feelings of joy, peace, and self-confidence. Jasmine is also known to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and promote healthy-looking, radiant skin. Jasmine may also be beneficial in nourishing and protecting the scalp. Due to the large amount of flowers needed to produce a small amount of oil, jasmine is highly sought after in both the perfume industry and in aromatherapy. The top 3 uses for doTERRA's jasmine essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of jasmine are that it balances hormones and emotions, helps with dry skin, and helps to reduce occasional eye irritation. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops of this oil on the bottoms of your feet and the palms of your hands to support your body systems. You can also take 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule morning and night, and I like to use doTERRA's veggie capsule right here. So basically you would just take one out like so. Then you would open it up, place the 1 to 2 drops inside, and then take with food and water for best results. And then also you can diffuse 3 drops of this oil with 3 drops of lavender or sandalwood in a 4-hour diffuser like doTERRA's petal diffuser, or you can use the Aroma Light or Lumo diffuser for more emotional balance. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.